Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels good, Spike. Ah. Come on, give me the tusk. Give me a back rub. It's okay. You give me a back rub. Go on. Come here, Spike. Come here. Spike. Come here. Give me a back rub. Come on. Give me a deep tissue massage. Yeah. Oh, get the shoulder blade. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Lumbar. Get the lumbar. That's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice back rub, Spike. Oh, yeah. Oh, get the ribs. Yeah. That's a good back rub. Come on, get the neck. Yeah. Get my back. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh,
no! Here you go. Come on. You'll do anything for a beer. I drink after the pig, as disgusting as that may seem. It is Heineken. Can you pick it up yourself? Pick it up. Drink it. Come on. Pick it up. Hold it. Hold it. Say Heineken. Say Heineken. Say Heineken. Come on. Say Heineken. Heineken. Come on, sit. 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 Come on, you can do it. Sit. Sit. Come on. Magoli, show him how to sit. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Show him how to sit. Come on. Sit. Sit. Come on. Sit. You're the best dog ever. You're the best dog in the world. Is he the best dog or are you the best dog? You're the best dog. Okay. Here. We play fetch with oranges because we don't eat them that much. Come on, bring that orange. Come on. Give it a dad. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. I'll squeeze it. You know you don't like citrus. You want some? You don't either. You ever heard of a fucking pig that don't eat oranges?
He's picky. He likes Lilikoi.
Aloha.